Okay, so we're just going to show you our ST75 here working with our Karcher quick release system. This one's hooked up to a Karcher machine and it's got a chemical injector on there. We're just going to show you how much good foam we can get from it. You'll notice on our website we've got an interactive chemical injector chart. So if you know the flow and pressure you're working at and you want to know all the parts and accessories you need to get the best possible foam for your machine, you can have a look on there and it'll tell you all the parts you need to achieve that. So what we'll do is now we'll just show you how good this is at foaming on this car.